Right friends, in today's video we're going to be changing a brake caliper on Vauxhall Zafira B. The existing caliper, the bleeder nipple on this side, the threads are completely worn out, and the reason for that is that the car's been stationary for a couple of months, possibly nearly 11 months. The car's been stationary. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the we were going to retap the bleeder nipple, but that's like a safety critical thing, we might not be able to do it properly. So therefore we decided to buy a new caliper. The caliper is here, the new caliper here, so we're just going to change it. This caliper has come from eBay for £36. This was the cheapest, and I would recommend you buy the cheap, from eBay, brand new one, because the second-hand ones are like £30 from your local scrap yards. So this is the brand new one for £36, and your local shops, they are rip-off. They are selling it for they're selling the new calipers for like £70-80 to £100 for just one, which is a complete rip-off. So we decided to buy one from eBay. So that's what we're going to change now. So in order to disconnect it, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the brake pipe. Before I do that, I'm going to use this clamp to block the brake pipe so that no brake fluid leaks out of it. So just gonna put a clamp onto the brake pipe, just like that, so that the fluid doesn't leak out of it. So it's number 11 key to undo that. Okay, so that's brake pipe out of the way, because I've put a clamp onto the pipe. Yeah, it's not going to leak at all. So we're using a 13 mil socket, 13 mil spanner on the outer bolt on the caliper. Okay, to undo it, and then 17 mil spanner. Okay, I've done the top one. That's two caliper bolts out of the way. So now we're going to disconnect the handbrake cable. Now that we have disconnected the brake pipe, which was here, the caliper mount bolts, one there, one there. Now we're just going to disconnect the disconnect the handbrake cable, which is here. Okay. So you just need to remove the clip. This is the clip you remove. Right, that's our old caliper. You can see the thread completely worn out. Okay, the bleeder nipple thread.
Everything is still easier.
Right. Right, that's the caliper in place.
Hmm?
Right friends, just gonna place the clip to secure the handbrake cable, which is nicely secured now, as you can see, and just gonna push this cable down a bit. Okay, that's like that. Right, now I'm just gonna secure the brake pipe. Right, that's that done. So just gonna take the clamp off. The clamp is off. So that's that done. And now we're just gonna bleed the caliper, and job done guys. Thank you very much for watching the video. Okay.